Question number 5 or 5.4. Question number 5 solution. Now, question 2, and the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural number is 4 to 1 here. Find the let the two consecutive natural number be let the two consecutive natural numbers be x and x plus 1. Consecutive natural number kan di 2x le x plus 1 ni se continue. Chuan question akan lutang. So question chuan apel the sum of the squares the sum of the squares square ve ibel chuan ti nami a square ve tebel kom square ve tebel kom chu 4 to 1 421 number ta chu nge ti zonga kan hei pot par le patang x square plus 2ab plus b square hello nia 421 chuan x square le x square rebel chuan 2x square hello nia plus 2x hei le maron son phei do na plus 1 pula hian minus 4 to 1 equal to 0. Chuan 2x square plus 2x minus 4 to 1 1 pe chuan 4 to 0 equal to 0 lo ni mai tani chuan 2 in ka divide thei veka next step chuan 2 in ka divide le vek nga which implies 2 1 is 2 2 1 is 2 minus 2 2 are 4 2 1 is 2 0. Number panhi a multiplier 210 apaya 1 kanjong doni chu idu chuan hei prime factorization method in zon thei ka ti to kha 210 kha 2 in 2 1 is 2 2 10s are 20 2 5s are 10 2 5 0 10 2 5 20 to 522 5 2s are 10 5 1 is 5 3 7s are 21 chuan ka number hi 1 chok thei tu ka du ta ni 5 3s are kala 15 ni 2 7s are 14 15 minus 14 chu 15 and 14 x square plus 15x minus 14x minus 210 nan ta ni chuan common ka loi lenga x common na x plus 15 chu ka hin kai minus 14 common na x plus 15 ka ron chuk le chuan x minus 14 into x plus 15 equals to 0 kan ni le ta ni chuan either kan tiang 0 kan cham thi ve fe do ni x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x plus 15 is equal to 0 anti lenga x chuan 14 at luka emo x chuan minus 15 consecutive number minus integers kan man lo wangin an nek minus 15 chu 14 chi kan ma therefore tianga the required two consecutive natural numbers are 14 x 14 x plus 1 to 15 14 and 15 and so there so one question number 6 6 solution continue question kan share le don Question number 62. Find the consecutive odd positive. Oh, find the consecutive odd positive number. Find two consecutive odd positive number whose sum of whose square is 290. Oh, consecutive odd ani chuan this one ka rangai tlat odd number chi kan lak don chuan natural number consecutive ta ngai chu pakhat theu nen thlawa 1 2 3 4 5 he number in dot tin ani chu wan son odd ati to chuan let the two consecutive odd positive integers minus the low odd positive integers b pakhat x kati chuan odd number ni chuan hian 13 nan ta se 13 zo odd number chu 15 ani pani na zon kan thung x kati chuan x plus 2 ani ka zo chu chu da tu chen chu odd ta ran ti ba nan in dot pa ngai kha chu ni se chu 1 ani chuan tinga ti question haran in le doni the sum of whose square te le hemi te pani square bel khom chu tina so x square plus x plus 2 holding square is equal to 290 dani le som ko ti x square plus a square plus 2ab 4x plus b square 4 equal to 290 a square x square 2ab 2 into 2x 4x plus 2 square to 4 2x square x square bela 2x square plus 4x 4 minus hey rom phejun minus ni 4 minus 290 to 290 4 pai tur ania chu 286 0 chuan 2 a common thewa kal thalenga x square plus 2x 2 1 is 2 2 2s are 4 2 in 2 1 is 2 2 4s are 8 2 3s are 6 1 4 3 number pani apun tira 143 apaya 2 so it's prime factorization mang khan kan in le don ta ni 1 4 3 engi divide thei kan in chuan teo kan ngai to chuan 2 in a divide thei lo chianga 3 pon thei lo tu wang chuan a thei tu tur a ka rin chu 13 13 1 is 13 draw 1 la bang 13 13 1 is 13 11 le 13 11 13 11 e pai chuan 2 so ka man thei ngal ni which implies x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 is equal to 0 kan tianga common kal leng mi pania x a common a x plus 13 abanga minus a common a 11 common le a x plus 13 abang le a 0 chuan either kan tilenga x which implies x minus 11 into x plus 13 equal to 0 kan tia either kan tia x minus 11 chuan 0 tluka or x plus 13 chuan 0 tluk vele a x is equal to 11 kan tia ta chuan x is equal to minus 13 ka positive integers kan ti wangin minus kan neglect le ta ni chuan x chuan 11 tluka x plus 2 chu 13 ti kan ni therefore the two consecutive odd positive numbers, odd positive integers, integers are 11 and 11 plus 2 to 13. 11 and 13. Question number 6 chana. Question number 6 chana. To that one, question number 7. Seven solutions. Question 2. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. Number oma to number to ling zong nen reciprocal to ling zong ling zong nena ibel chuan 10 by 3 chuaka number ka chu enget. Let the number be x and its reciprocal b nge x ling zong chu 1 by x hemi pani kambel khom chu the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 10 by 3. So x plus 1 by x chu 10 by 3 chuak don tinani chu 10 by 3. Chuan LCM kalanga which implies x common x squared plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3. Fraction ni to wangin cross multiply do ni 3 into x squared so 3x squared plus 3 1 is 3. 10 into x into 10 so 10x maya kasim be mga 3x squared then amaron page minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Chuan splitting the middle term. Number pani multiplier 3 times 3 9. Abela 10 so 9 1. 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 so 10. 9x minus 1x 1 kazilan lau tu plus 3 equal to 0. So common kal la lenga hemi pani ahian hemi lepa 3x square le 9x in common lak tur ni 3 in the same thei ve x in the same thei ve bok chu wang zon 3x common ni 3x in 3x square divide chuan x che bang to hai 3x into x 3x square minus 3 in 9 something chuan 3 dan 3 9 x 2 x minus yen wang wanga common lak turom lo chun 1 lak tur minus 1 kan la x minus 3 bang ta ni minus into minus to plus sign po common lak tel tu thawani chuan ngi kan nei kan ti chuan 3x minus 1 le x minus 3 equal to 0 kan nei le either kan ti lenga 0 kan la le lo ni 3x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0 kan ti nga that's when x is equal to 1 by 3 or x is equal to 3 ani ve ve theni he 1 by 3 number zu 1 by 3 ni chuan ling zong zu 3 hey number zu 3 ni chuan ling zong zu 1 by 3 ani ve ve the therefore number zu zong ro ti equals to number 7 the number is 3 or 1 by 3 number zu 3 3 1 by 3 adik ve ve chu kai nam ve ve question number 8 question number 8 to text out one find 3 consecutive positive integers number integers integers is a positive so on so bangin minus kan mang don rima intinan 1 in 1 zo 1 ka man chuan 1 2 3 ni mai ani thlau na chu 1 ni man chuan pakata 1 bel le nia pakata tang khan 1 bel le ni so an in dot chho ta ni consecutive in dot thap tur ti chuan let the 3 consecutive positive number tilo integers ati integers nangrek masih integers positive ron kita tangan integers b pakat x iti chuan antot le chu pakatin tam thret anga antot le chu pati na tamang x plus 1 and x plus 2 pathum ni khat ni thum so an integrate equation kan liang the sum of the squares of the first the sum of the square of the first and the product of the other two is 154 the sum of the square of the first that is 1 so ama saber square abel kom tur chu ibel tur chu the sum of the square of the first can square atro hai and the product of the other two ati andang pani multiply x plus 1 into x plus 2 the sum more ibel tur ta chu the square of the first and the product of the other two more tibel kom chu 154 ti ya som nga palian chuan number ta chu inge ti har lo ra x square plus x into x2 x squared x into 2 2x 1 into x2 1x 1 into 2 kan like tram sau ka chocolate don ta ni x squared 2x squared nia 2x le x2 3x nia 1 here on page minus 2 minus 154 kan ni equal to 0 1 2x squared plus 3x minus 152 equal to 0 so ka factorize then hai ta hian coefficient of x square 2 on value multiply to rania 1522 are 2 304 304 number pani multiply 304 up by 3 chok to kan so so right now 2 1 is 2 2 5 are 10 2 2 are 4 2 7 are 14 2 6 are 12 2 3s are 6 2 8s are 16 2 1 is 2 2 9s are 18 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 19 19 minus 16 to 3 19 into 16 to 152 which implies 2x squared plus 19x minus 16x minus 152 equal to 0 kan ni tani so le 2x squared plus 19x minus 16x minus 152 equal to 0 kan dita common kalangan sa pan tang hian masa tang hian pani tang hian common kalak chuan x common ni x chia common chuan 2x apanga plus 19 bang tani chuan minus kan ti le pani ka en chuan 8 common tani 8 common 8 2s are 16x nia chuan minus kalak to wang plus ania chuan 18 8 19 are 8 19 are 152 equal to 0 chuan x minus 8 into 2x plus 19 is equal to 0 kan tia either kan ti le to x minus 8 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 19 is equal to 0 kan ti le x to 8 mo x2 minus 19 by 2 lo ni ta hai kan dekle kan du lo negative ที่กันดิ negative ที่ตัวdan neglect tani positive ที่ฟัง minus กันดูtherefore the three consecutive numbers are number in dot pathum positive number ni box c2 8 ania pakata x ka chu 8 ania pakatu x plus 1 8 plus 1 chu 9 ania pakatu x plus 2 nia 8 plus 2 chu 10 8 9 10 kan number sai chu 8 9 10 tu nak chuan question number 9. Question number 9 yan. Solution. Two numbers differ by 3 and their product is 5 0 4. Find the numbers of it. Let the numbers be x plus 3 or x plus 3 x and x plus 3 อันนี้ครับมันจะ3ตัวกันประกาศ x นี่จึงประกาศจู x ปฐุมเดินยังไงฉันจูปฐุมนี่ข่าววะอินตาละปฐุมนี่ข่าวประกาศอินปฐุมนี่ทำจอกส่วน so product is 504 multiply 20 x into x plus 3 to 504 นี่x into x to x square นี่ plus x into 3 to 3x the number on page 1 minus 504 equal to 0 and n1 number pan here multiply 504 up by 3 kan ma mo ta ni chu kan chon kan zon thei dan chu prime factorization la thot kan ti to ka 504 ri dang ati 2 into 2 are 4 2 5 are 10 2 2 are 4 2 into 1 is 2 2 2 are 4 2 6 are 12 2 into 6 are 12 2 3 are 2 3 are 6 1 7 9 are 63 3 3 are 9 up by 3 ka du ta ni chuan hemi pathum kan la china 2 into 2 4 4 2 are 8 8 long ta se chuan hemi nen la liang 8 3 are 24 nia 7 3 21 24 la 21 ni chu x squared plus 24x minus 21x minus 504 equal to 0. Chuan x akomona x plus 24 minus 21 akomona 21 x plus 24 equal to 0. Chuan x minus 21 into x plus 24 and either x minus 21 is equal to 0 or x plus 24 is equal to 0 1 x 21 at lukemo minus 24 he can negative le down kan mang lo down minus negative so number pakatsu x and pakatsu x plus 3 kan dia therefore the numbers are 21 and x plus 3 to 3 belts 1 24 21 and 24